Hey, everyone! Welcome to my channel. Here, you'll learn amazing recipes in an easy and delicious way. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an incredible, super juicy homemade burger. Ingredients. For the burger, 500 g of ground beef, your preferred cut, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, optional. For assembling, for burger buns, for slices of cheese, cheddar, Swiss, or mozzarella, lettuce, sliced tomato, sliced red onion, pickles, optional. Your favorite sauce, seasoned mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, barbecue, etc. Instructions. 1. Preparing the meat. Choose high-quality ground beef with a good fat content, around 20%, to ensure juiciness. In a bowl, mix the meat with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder if using. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions and shape them into patties about 2 centimeters thick. Make a slight indentation in the center of each patty to prevent shrinking while grilling. 2. Grilling the burger. Heat a pan or griddle over medium-high heat and lightly grease it with oil or butter. Place the patties in the pan and grill for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a medium doneness. If you prefer well done, cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. In the last 30 seconds, place a slice of cheese on each patty and cover the pan to melt it. 3. Toasting the buns. Cut the buns in half and toast them on the hot pan until lightly golden. This helps prevent them from getting soggy from the meat juices. 4. Assembling. Spread sauce on the bottom half of the bun. Add the lettuce, tomato, and onion. Place the patty with melted cheese on top. Add pickles and more sauce if desired. Finish with the top bun. 5. Serving. Serve the burger immediately with fries, chips, or a salad. Pair it with your favorite drink. So, what do you think, guys? Do you like this recipe? Look at this amazing burger. Hamburger fire now, it's your turn to make it at home, and let me know how it went. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any recipes. Share this video with your friends and family so everyone can learn how to make a homemade burger. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.